As you can hear, it's rather noisy. Right, I've just fired up the Dreamer again because I've got a lot of stuff to print for school. I know, awful lot of stuff. So at the moment, if I go in on my knees, since quite close around, you may be able to see this, you may be able to. I'm actually printing some binary coins. Okay, I've got 10 lots to print. Now you're saying to me, Sneaky, couldn't you go and buy them? Yeah, I could, yeah, but not at the price I can print them for. So there you go. Now if I go down here to my control panel, I'm not sure if you can see it here, we got around about another hour to go, so that's okay. This is one of my printers I've got, okay? And I've not used any of them for quite a while, so I thought best I got used. So today I got myself into gear and done some tidying up, as you do. So I'll come back for you. And down here, you probably see a little bit, there's a printer I've not got out since I bought it, so that's being assembled tomorrow to do some small stuff. This is a Triumph from Good Armour, so we're going to get that one going as well, so that'll make 3 going at the same time. It should be super duper. So I'll go in a bit more for you. The Dreamer you can get really cheap now. It's really good. So these things will... the filament's a bit old on this one, so let's see how we go. But yeah, I'll show you the results tomorrow. Sneak things out. I'll see you later, bye bye.